This is absolutely unfair. Grounded for 1 billion years? For a tiny supermarket mishap? My parents are tyrants. Dictators. They can't do this to me. My freedom. My future. My ice cream privileges. All gone. Wait. No. This isn't over. I know what I'll do. I'll sue them. Yes. A lawsuit. For gross miscarriage of justice.
Liya, did you just say lawsuit?
That's right, I want to file a lawsuit.
Your legal counsel, at your service. I, Alex, am a certified expert in family law. I've studied all the episodes of Judge Judy. I know everything. This case? It's a gold mine. We'll make them pay.
Alex, you little genius. You're hired. Prepare the subpoenas. Prepare the arguments. We're going to court. And we are going to win. Paul, you are hereby served. This is a subpoena. You are required to appear in court.
A subpoena? Liya, what is this? A napkin with a dinosaur.
Oh, honey, did you draw this yourself? It's very colorful.
It is a legally binding document. And the dinosaur is a symbol of justice.
Silence! The court is now in session. Foreman Liya, position the jury.
Right away, Your Honor.
Oh no!
Wait. Jury? Alex, what are you doing with the couch cushions?
These are the jurors. They represent the impartial voice of the people.
The people seem a little lumpy.
And the coffee table. Perfect for the judge's bench. Mom! You, with your wisdom and grace, shall preside.
Me? A judge? Oh, this sounds like fun. Very well. I accept the gavel.
Misa, you're not actually going along with this, are you?
Dad! You are the defendant. Take your place. And this lamp. It shall be our witness stand. Light of truth, shine down.
A witness stand? Oh, for crying out loud. Fine. Whatever. Let's get this over with. But I'm not getting a lawyer. I'll defend myself.
Order. Order in the court. Let the proceedings begin. The prosecution may begin its opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor. Esteemed members of the jury. And you, the wise and silent coffee table. We stand here today at the precipice of a monumental injustice. A gross miscarriage of juvenile, felicity. The defendant, Mr. Paul, has committed an act of unprecedented parental overreach. He is guilty of tyranny, of emotional negligence, of a complete disregard for the sacred snack time. We will prove, beyond a shadow of a reasonable cushion, that Liya's freedom has been cruelly curtailed. 1 billion-year grounding for an incident merely instigated by cosmic candy currents.
Oh, no. Cosmic candy currents? She literally knocked over an entire display of chocolate bars.
Objection! Speculation! And a violation of courtroom aesthetics.
Sustained. Mr. Paul, please refrain from aesthetic violations.
What? This is ridiculous.
Order. Ms. Liya, please approach the witness stand.
I shall try, Your Honor. My legs feel like jelly beans of despair.
Tell us, Liya, in your own words, what unspeakable horrors you endured.
It all started that fateful day. The supermarket, a vortex of temptation. I was but a mere child, a fragile blossom, drawn by an irresistible force. The gravitational pull of the candy aisle, it was too strong. It bent time. It warped reality.
Oh no 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 no. Gravity? She was jumping on the shopping cart.
Objection! Leading the witness! And also, the cart was clearly possessed by mischievous gnomes.
Sustained. No gnome shaming in my court.
My innocent hands reached out, not to destroy, but to find comfort. And then, the shelves collapsed. A domino effect of confectionery chaos. My world shattered. My parents, they glared. With eyes of pure, unadulterated judgment. And then came the sentence. 1 billion years. My life. Over. Finished.
Oh no 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 no. It was only 5 minutes. And the girl started crying because her dad didn't buy her a giant chocolate bar.
Objection! Irrelevant! The emotional damage from being denied a chocolate bar is immeasurable.
Sustained. The court acknowledges the profound impact of gummy bear deprivation.
My future, my friends, my chances to get my driver's license. All gone. How can I drive in 700 million years? It's impossible.
Oh no 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 no. This is insane. She's making this all up.
Objection! Leading the jury to question the very fabric of truth itself.
Sustained. Mr. Paul, you are teetering on the edge of a contempt of court cushion.
Oh no 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 no. All right, fine. Maybe Dad's been a little too strict with Liya. Since the whole family's defending her like this, I'll lift her grounding from now on. Liya is officially free.
Hit subscribe to follow our new videos every day.